begins today as what we are looking at. The stage is set for a high voltage drama as the Parliament budget session begins. First up, President Draupadi Murmu will be addressing a joint sitting of both of the houses with Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman tabling the economic survey tomorrow, and then the budget this time would be presented on the 1st of February, which falls on a Sunday. Now, ahead of the day one of the budget session, government has convened an all-party meeting. Speaking to the media after the meeting, Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju has requested all of the political parties to cooperate in the running of the session smoothly. But the opposition, however, wants discussions on the VBG Ramji Act and the SIR exercise once again during this session. Rejecting this demand, the centre made it clear that once the law has been made before the country, we must follow it and it cannot go back to the past.
Once the law is before the nation, we have to follow it. Once a bill is placed in the House, passed by the Parliament, becomes an act, and in the process of implementation, we can reverse the gear and bring back and go back to the past. It cannot happen. And moreover, members are free to raise the issue, but we have to follow the constitutionalities, rules, regulations, and conventions of the...
Now, the Congress and the other opposition leaders are expected to meet Rajya Sabha LOP and the Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge to chalk out strategy for the floor over the House on Manrega issue, the SIR issue, the Indore water tragedy, the state of economy and other issues as well. Let's connect with Nyamika on this. Nyamika, good afternoon. Good morning, rather. What are we looking at as far as the business of the House is concerned, what the opposition now plans to do?
Well, good morning, Amita. As there is a crucial meeting which is being called by the India Bloc parties, as the floor leaders of the India Bloc parties are going to hold a discussion upon the floor strategy, and this meeting is going to take place at 10 o'clock in the morning in the leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge's chamber. What all issues are going to be taken up by the opposition in this budget session? Let us go across to the Congress party's Lok Sabha MP, Mr. Sukhdev Bhagat, to talk about this matter more. Sir, क्या कुछ मुद्दे आप लोगों की तरफ से जो है वो उठाए जाने वाले हैं? बजट सेशन है, किरण रिजिजू का भी कल जिस तरीके से बयान आया कि ऑपोजिशन का राइट है कि वो अपनी आवाज उठाएं, लेकिन उन्हें सुनना भी चाहिए, इस पर आप क्या कहना चाहिए?
दो बातें महत्वपूर्ण है। जिस प्रकार किरण रिजिजू ने कहा कि रिवर्स में चीजें नहीं चलती हैं, सरकार को संवेदनशील होना चाहिए, सेंसिटिव होके, क्योंकि मनरेगा के जो इश्यूज है वो ग्रामीण क्षेत्रों के जो सबसे जो वीकर सेक्शन है, श्रमिक लोग हैं, उनके लिए कानून था कि एक पलायन रुके। तो हमारे एक इशू है मनरेगा, आज भी हमारे लिए इशू है। फॉरेन पॉलिसी इशू है, जिस प्रकार वो डाउन कर जाते हैं मोदी जी, वो इशू हमारे लिए है। जिस प्रकार डॉलर के मुकाबले रुपये का अवमूल्यन है, वो हमारी इशू है। दिल्ली का पॉल्यूशन आप देख ही रहे हैं। साथ ही साथ जिस प्रकार लगातार भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लोग के द्वारा जो वक्तव्य आते हैं, वो आज भी समाज को विभक्त करने वाली बातें, अमित शाह जी का जो वक्तव्य थे, तो ये सारे इश्यूज को लेके हम बहुत ही जिसे कहा जाए प्रखरता से इन बातों को रखेंगे। लेकिन साथ ही साथ हम ये अपेक्षा करते हैं कि सरकार गंभीरता दिखलाए, उनके जो उत्तर आए वो स्टीरियो टाइप ना हो, लेकिन सरकार स्वयं जिम्मेदारी से भागती है, मैं ये जरूर कहना चाहूंगा।
सर, मनरेगा का मुद्दा आप लोग कह रहे हैं कि इस बार भी आप उठाने वाले हैं, लेकिन सरकार की तरफ से ये साफ कर दिया गया है कि बिल जब पास हो चुका है दोनों सदन में, तो उसके बाद में जिस तरीके से पूरी चर्चा भी हुई थी, तो आप दोबारा से उस मुद्दे को उठाने का क्या औचित्य है?
देखिए, मैं आज भी मैं कहना चाहूंगा, कोई ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई बिल आप पास कर दें तो बहुत जन उपयोगी हो। मैंने कहा कि इसलिए मैंने कहा कि सेंसिटिव होकर चीजों को देखनी चाहिए। और सरकार, मैं समझता हूं आज भी सरकार जिस प्रकार कॉम्प्लेक्स इससे बनाया है, तो मुद्दे तो हमारे मरते नहीं है, क्योंकि मुद्दे हमारे कोई इशू, राजनीतिक इशू नहीं है। हमारे लिए गांव के लोगों के, श्रमिकों के लिए इशू है, जो उनके जीवन यापन से चीजें जुड़ी हुई है। इसलिए हमारे मुद्दे बहुत महत्वपूर्ण ये है, मनरेगा के मुद्दे जो है।
Okay, so that you have heard that this is a demand of the opposition party, this is a demand of the Congress party, as they are once again going to rake up this entire matter, as basically the Congress party saying that Manrega should be implemented in its original form.
All right. Well, that has been the opinion of this government as well, saying that can't reverse gear as far as ruling out any discussion of VBG Ramji law after the all-party meeting. Amika, thank you for that update. As far as the opposition strategy is concerned, the VBG Ramji Act, which has replaced the 2-decade-old Manrega from the Congress era, was passed in Parliament last month's winter session, and its passage has sparked intense protests from the opposition lawmakers who criticized the new name, invoking Lord Ram rather than Mahatma Gandhi, and opposed the provisions that described as feudal and warning that these could undermine job guarantees for the rural poor. Now, according to sources, opposition members are also seeking debates on SIR, US tariffs, Indian foreign policy, and concerns over air pollution and the overall state of the economy, among other pressing matters.
अपने राज्य के मुताबिक अपने हैसियत के मुताबिक मांग करते थे, बाकी कुछ एजेंडा क्या है? प्रदूषण का एजेंडा है। एजेंडा क्या है आप सोचो ना। पॉल्यूशन वाटर है, SIR का मुद्दा आ गया है, पानी की कमतरता आ जाएगी तो आगे चल के क्या करोगे? नदी जोड़ प्रकल्प पर क्या हो रहा है? SIR पे डिस्कशन करो, प्रदूषण पर डिस्कशन करो, कॉलिंग अटेंशन आनी चाहिए। महिला मिसिंग है, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट बढ़ रही है, तो दीज आर द ऑल इश्यूज व्हिच वर प्लेस्ड बाय एवरी मेंबर कि अपने अपने राज्य के हिसाब से भी कोई कुछ मुद्दे उन्होंने उठाए और उसकी चर्चा की मांग की, चर्चा नहीं हुई।
इस बजट से कुछ भी किसी को मिलने वाला नहीं। जिस देश में 20%, 50% से कम लोग जो हैं, ज्यादा लोग जो हैं, उनके पास केवल 10% संपत्ति है। बजट क्या किसको देने डाला है? उन्हीं को देने वाला जिनके पास संपत्ति।
See, there is a near consensus in the opposition rank that many pertinent issues like the foreign policy of government of India, the stand of India with regard to the whole gamut of things that are happening in the global politics, the board of peace of Donald Trump, and how we should respond to the issues that's happening in Greenland, in Palestine, in Iran. And we are surprised that there is a deafening silence on the part of the government of India. And on this FTA also we need to have a discussion.
Well, let's connect with Mohit on this. Mohit, good morning. The budget session begins. However, it seems that the opposition agenda seems to be clear on the issue that they want to raise, but the government has also set its priorities for the session. Kiran Rijiju saying that the focus would mainly remain on the budgetary business. Mohit, if you're connected, can you tell us about, when it comes to the business of the House today that we're looking at on the first day of the budget session? All right, reconnecting that line with Mohit. As far as when it comes to setting the government's priorities for this session, Kiran Rijiju, the Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister, says that the focus would remain on the budgetary business, saying that they have also noted the suggestions given by the floor leaders of various parties, and as per the rules, the discussion should revolve around budget only.